In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to set cell data formats in Excel. What's up, coders? Today we're going to talk about how to set cell data formats in Excel using C# and the IronXL library. I already installed the IronXL library with the NuGet package manager. If you want to follow along, make sure that you do so now. Otherwise, we're going to just jump on into the code. All right, so here we are in the program.cs file where I have some pre-written code to demonstrate setting up data formats. In the code, we start by importing the IronXL namespace and its formatting namespace. We then create a new Excel workbook and get the default worksheets that come with it. We set the value in A1 to 123 and format it as a percentage with 2 decimals. And we do that using the built-in formats .%2. Similarly, for A2, we set the value to 123 and format it with 4 decimal places using the custom format string 0.0000. Now let's talk about date and time. We populate cells A3, A4, and A5 with datetime objects. We then use the range classes from IronXL to set a custom format for this range of cells. And this format will display the date and time in the month, day, year, hour, minute, second format. For cell A6, we set the value to 123 again and apply a built-in accounting format with 0 decimal places using the built-in formats .accounting0. And then finally, we save the workbook as data formats.xlsx. So let's go ahead and run the project and check it out. All right, project runs successfully, and we'll open up the Excel file and see the output. So here we are in cell 1. We see the number 123, but it's showing as 12300.00. That's exactly what we wanted. Moving to cell 2, we look at that. The number is 123, and it's displayed as 123.0000. Perfect. For cells A3, A4, and A5, our dates and times are perfectly formatted. So as you can see, IronXL does a fantastic job of formatting these cells exactly how we want. And this is just a quick but thorough overview of how we can manipulate Excel using IronXL and C#. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we ask that you give us a like and click subscribe if you want some more tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to try out the power of the software yourself, don't be afraid to do so. We have a 30-day trial down below. Check it out.